Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech, and today I have another unboxing for you guys, which is gonna be some bands that I got here from Amazon for the Apple Watch SE 40mm. Okay, but before I get into this unboxing, at the current time of recording this video, I'm at 925 subscribers, and I would definitely appreciate if you could go on down below, hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. All right, so I'm gonna jump into this unboxing right away. I'm not gonna do there's not much to really talk about these bands as yet until we start unboxing and getting into the details. Okay, so these bands I got them from Amazon. Its company is called Dirello Bands, and these bands, it's 4 sets that came in this pack. For this, I bought this, it was $6.99 for on Cyber Monday. The regular price, which is still good, it's $11.99, and they always have coupons where you can apply coupons on Amazon. They always have them from like an extra $2 to $3 off, which puts you pretty much at like $9.99, $8.99 from time to time. Okay, so let's get this out of the pack. I'm gonna put that aside, and as you can see, we have this, like, it's a light lavender, we have purple, we have sand pink, and white. Okay, so we have these 4 colors here, really nice colors. As you can see, looks really nice. Pull those closer so you can see. All right, and this is the Apple Watch SE. This is the 40mm, and this is the gold color. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove. As you can see, we currently have the Apple braided loop band on here in red. Let me remove that. Okay, so this is the watch, and we're gonna try these bands on one by one and see how they look. Okay, so this is my wife's watch, and she wanted to get this color specifically, but in the stores they're like $49 for one of these watch bands, the original Apple ones. So we went on Amazon and see if we found anything on there that's similar, and we found this pack that came with the 4 bands for $6.99, and that's a good deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and see how they look. So this is it. Let's slap this one on. So far, that's one, and that's the other one here. I guess I have them upside down. See, I'm putting these bands on upside down, everyone. Let's turn it around. So this one goes on this side, and this one's gonna be on this side right here. So let's go ahead and put it on, and this is what it looks like with the gold version of the watch. It looks really nice. See, beautiful. Looks really nice. So I'm gonna have the link for these bands in the description, so you could go ahead and make your purchase if that is something that you're looking for a band at a really good price. I would definitely recommend this. Okay, this is the 40mm. I have my 44mm. I'm gonna take that off. See how this looks on my hand here. This is a 40mm. See if I could get that on. I'm gonna be out of the frame a little bit because I do have to move my hand around. All right, let's see. I have way bigger hands than my wife, so these should fit pretty well for her. Okay, looks really nice. Look at this. Wow, beautiful, beautiful watch, and this color combination is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna have the link for this in the description. Don't worry, if you're interested in these bands, I got you. Okay, so that's one. Let's try the white, see what it looks like. I'm sure she's gonna be happy with these bands because she was skeptical when we were just looking at these online, but in person it looks really nice. I'm not kidding. It does This seems really hard to go on for some reason. Let's see the other way. There we go. And this one should fit pretty easy. Yeah, there we go. Let's close that. Looks really nice with the white band as well. Can't go wrong with this. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm gonna put it on my hand here again. Gonna be at the frame again just to get this on. Oh, let's see. I'm just gonna put it right here, and this one right here. See how it looks. There we go. And there it is. That's the white band. Looks really nice as well. Can't beat that. Looks really nice. Alright, and these are all silicone bands, as you can probably tell from the video. Okay, so let's put this one on. This is the purple. There we go. Pull this side. There we go. All right, that's the purple one. That's how it looks. Beautiful. Put this on. See how it looks. And I'm not gonna can't stress this enough, guys. This price for these, it's really good for the price, because I paid $6.99 for this pack, and it's really beautiful. Look at this. This is the purple. It's a little tight on my hand because my hands are pretty big. So let's take this off. You get the button here. Get this button right here. Let's try this one, which is the one my wife wanted. So let's try this one on. And this one. Sand pink. Beautiful. Let's try this one. Let's put it on. See what it looks like. Beautiful. Look at that. She's gonna love this. Oh, I thought it was a crack. It's the hair on my hand showing here. So let's move those hair out the way. Get away here. Got hairy hands, people. Okay, so there it is. That's the band. All right, very beautiful. Okay, so again, these bands were made by the store that sells this on Amazon is Derello Bands, but I'm gonna have the link for these, so don't worry about it. All right, if you're looking for bands, I'm gonna have the link in the description if you want to get these, so you can go ahead and make your purchase. All right, but before we get off this video, please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, and get me to that 1,000 subscribers that I really need right now. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.